We have new printer L3250 and I installed the ink already, but right after turn on all lights are flashing. You can see all lights are flashing. It means that ink carriage is not this is a new printer actually. Okay, so what is the main mistake all users do when they buy a new printer and right after turn on it's showing all lights? They forget to do one thing. You have to open the lid cover, and you will see right after open here is one plastic that we didn't remove, because when this ink carriage moved to the right side it got stuck on that side. So in the new printer you have to remove this plastic tape carefully and then turn back on, turn off and turn on again. Right after turn on you will not see these R lights flashing. I turned off, will turn back on again, and right after turn on you will not see there is no light is flashing. Printer start initializing, it will boot automatically. If you have any other question regarding any kind of Epson printer, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.